Want to make $100 or more per day? Starting this week, here are 5 side hustles that pay you daily, not monthly, and yes, they're beginner friendly. Let's get right into it. Number 1, freelance writing. If you can write clearly, you can get paid. Websites like TextBroker, Writer Access, and Fiverr connect you with clients looking for blog posts, emails, and product descriptions. Start small, build your portfolio, and scale fast. Number 2, food delivery. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart let you earn fast with flexible hours. Focus on lunch and dinner rushes in busy areas and stack orders to double your income. Number 3, selling digital products. Create once, get paid forever. Design ebooks, Notion planners, or Canva templates and sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. With AI tools, you can build and launch a digital product in just a day. Number 4, user testing. Get paid to test websites and apps by sharing your feedback. Sites like User Testing and Try My UI pay around $10 for just 10 to 15 minutes of your time. And number 5, print on demand. Upload designs to Redbubble or Teespring. They handle printing, shipping, and support. Use Midjourney or Canva to create trendy shirts, mugs, or phone cases. You make money while you sleep. These side hustles are fast, flexible, and beginner friendly. Want more daily money making ideas? Hit that subscribe button and let's build wealth together.